Welcome back again with our product review, and if you haven't seen our last YouTube video, take a look, and our main YouTube channel is Blue Tongue Industries. You can see all the pricing at ionicsystems.com.au. The previous video we did a comparison in relation to the 3 best-selling pressure portable systems that we do here in Australia, and I wanted to talk about this industrial portable pressure cleaning system. Industrial means built to last. Low speed pump. In the previous video we talked about direct drive. On those direct drive units we've got an RPM of 3400 RPM at the pump. Having this reduction gearbox in this large Comet pump, we're only spinning this pump at 1450 RPM. Hot dipped gal frame. If you take note in relation to the pneumatic tyres, so the pneumatic tyres will also dampen oscillation and vibration when this particular system is running. The system is also mounted on a vibration isolator plate. So we've got 2 ways of dampening the system in relation to taking out the vibration of this particular unit. Various hose reels that we can mount to the top. We have 30 meters of pressure hose and additional hose lengths. We can extend that by just adding into this original hose reel on the top. Manual unloader valve or adjustable unloader valve. We've added in a dual lance, so we're going to be able to control the pressure from that good quality dual lance. One thing you'll also take note of on this particular system is the runaround. So having the bypass valve external to this large Comet pump, which is only turning at 1450 RPM, very longevity of this particular system. This external bypass we've actually modded and dumped to the ground. So on other systems within the range and other pressure cleaning systems, it's very important, especially on the smaller portables, when you take your hand off the trigger, if you don't have an external bypass going back to the tank or dumped to the ground like that, the water recirculates within the pump, which will increase the temperature of the pump and shorten the life. So when we take the hand off the pressure gun here, water is going to dump to the ground, and technically the system will operate like that continuously and not overheat or jeopardize that particular pump. So with the reduction gearbox, we are running at a lower So you'll note now that I've taken the hand off the pressure gun and we've got water flow coming from under the unit. So that water flow is the recirculated water through the pump being dumped to the ground. So we're not going to overheat the pump in that application. Having the reduction gearbox in relation to other particular systems within the range, the pump's only rotating at 1450 RPM, but in this particular system, because of that reduction gearbox, we are going to lose a little bit of pressure compared to other systems within the range. So a direct drive system like this would be 4000 psi, 15 litres a minute. With the reduction gearbox, we're going to run at 3500 psi at 15 litres a minute. Quite ample enough to drive a 21 inch, 12 inch, 8 inch, 16 inch surface cleaner. We can start the system with a dual lance on low pressure, and then we can increase it as required. You can see even at high pressure, the system's hardly moving. So compared to other products within the range, the way it's dampened in regards to the tyres and the vibration plate and the all-up heavier weight of the unit, it sits pretty stationary. So it is an industrial unit, low RPM pump, hot dip gal frame, 3500 psi at 15 litres a minute. Pressure cleaning, so hard surfaces, exterior cleaning, soft washing. We can put various Venturi injectors, X-Jets, acid injectors to be able to spray soaps and surfactants, pressure cleaning poles to be able to reach height. All this and much, much more. Our main parent company is Blue Tongue Industries, but all the information we've channeled together at ionicsystems.com.au. Appreciate you watching.